what it seems. People fighting every day, trying hard